Just take the spatula, make it smooth, just like this.
We're just at the...
No, this is just the smoothing, and just to make the smoothing.
Okay.
Then last, take your wax knife, back side of the wax knife, make it nicely hot. Okay, and make the smoothing. Smoothing, just make one time. Don't make so. Yeah, just like this. So you will find it to become in the shape. Okay. And at the last, when you are satisfied, just make like this. You will find it all around.
لحظة خيلتني
Okay. Yeah, it's just to make like this. All right. Second, for the lower one is the same way. See, Ahmad, if you make like this, you will find some. Without any problem, you can find this. At the last, just make it. And later on, I will tell you when you will make the wax rim, I will give you some tips to make it more shiny, more looks nice, to get yani harakat yani. Okay. For the lower one, same way. The lower, you know, the lower is like U shape. So what we'll do? Give me the any cast, please.
جيب من عندي.
Any lower cast here.
هي اللور ولي زلمه
يا ريال.
Any lower cast. Same thing we'll do. Okay. Up to the vestibule. Only the wax we are not going to put on the retromolar pad. Just leave this area. Your wax will become up to here.
Not put on retromolar pad.
We will not cover the wax here. The thickness of the wax anteriorly 18 milli. Okay. The posteriorly you will say you will go up to the 0 point. What is the 0 point?
What is 0 point?
the acrylic
The
شباب.
the base.
it will be like this. This is the 0 point. So here anteriorly you will have 18. Right? So on the back side it will
Just
touch
straight?
to the retromolar pad. The 0 point of this. Now the upper you have 20 to 22. Posteriorly you have 18. The lower anterior you have, take it there. No, so it's finished from here. Only one left. Anteriorly lower 18, posteriorly up to the 0 point. Now all the patients, they will have, like we have the, you know, the thumb marks.
Yes.
The same, it's in the mouth. One denture cannot fit to the other. Understand? This is yani, one denture for the other, you cannot. So what will happen? Copyright make for Basim yani. When you will make, this is the, you can say the, not for imaginary, always you will make it on this measurements. But later on when you will take it to the clinics, in the patient's mouth, maybe you want to add more or you want to reduce it. So that only you will know in the patient's mouth when you want to take the jaw relation. Only that time you will know. Because it depends, maybe you want to put more to make it more bulgy here. Maybe you want to increase some wax when you put in the patient's mouth. Maybe it's not showing. You know, when you're talking, some of the teeth are showing. So you will make all these things when you will take the jaw relation. According to his face, according to the patient's mouth, you will adjust the wax. Okay? So I show you how to reduce it. Now I will show you how you can add more. So that is very simple. take a piece of wax.
احنا ورانا how to reduce it. إذا كانت عندك قليل شو بتسوي؟ تاخذ شيت تحط على فوق.
It depends how many milli you want. If you want 1 milli, just a piece of one layer. For the 2 milli, you can make it 2. Or more than that, if you want 3 milli, just like this. Remove the extra. Make it soft and add it over this. Okay? Then just remove the excess and make that. This is the way you can add. Now, as I say, if you feel the patients need more to bring his cheek in the position, the same thing you can do. Take the wax and you can add here to make it more thick. If in the patient's mouth you feel it is already thick, you can reduce it from this one. Okay?
Okay.
The lower is the same way. Only I told you, you have to cut up till to the retromotor pad. Understand?
Yeah.
Any doubt, any question?
Nope.
Hmm? Yeah, it's set. It's set in the
Long time.
in Zaman. See,
All the excess.
only the excess you will remove. All other. See here, you can find your butterfly. So up to this edge, you will guide it. Don't forget. Then before to make the record base, always
To make
don't believe on the technician, because the technician don't want to spend the time on this. Better
If
to
they
make
don't
it
want to
yours.
spend the time, who
Hmm?
spend the time?
Yeah, who is that?
If they don't
This is
spend
his
the time.
job.
Our job is to record.
Your job is
To record and control, of
To
course.
be Jopa.
No, job doesn't.
see you're still.
Azor.
This is the 3rd year. Even in the 4th year and 5th year,
We're going to do the same.
you will do all these things yourself.
Steps, all the steps.
All the steps you have to do it yourself. Up to the steps, which one you will do it yourself. They will ask you